Good night.
My name is Ali. I got your number through a mutual friend. I'm doing some business. Hello? Are you hearing me?
Hello.
Hello? Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, man. I said my name is Ali. I got your number from a mutual friend. I'm doing some business. I was just wondering if you would be interested.
Which mutual friend?
Kim, I don't know if you know her, but through my last other phone, I got a new chip, and I just didn't want some contacts. I got roughly about 10 numbers, and your number was one of the number in the lot. I'm sending me a call for find out if we could get some business done.
Kim, you know me, I know she can, yeah.
Well, she said she don't know you in person, but you're not just like WhatsApp friends, so I don't know. But differently, I do some business. I do balls combo, fuck and suck, fuck only and goose thread.
What?
I do balls combo, fuck and suck, fuck only and goose thread.
I don't know what kind of business.
Huh?
What kind of business that?
What kind of business? Normal business.
You have to call me. I'm going to, you call me back in the next hour.
Alright, it's cool.